what they done to you is happening to them. This individual really fixated on you. They're really fixated on trying to make your time at a place, a workplace, a college, a university, um, extremely uncomfortable. They have this energy whereby if someone is in a lower position than them, or if someone is the new girl or new guy, they will fixate on them and isolate them. This person looked down on you, maybe due to your job role, your job title. They made an assumption that you were a person that should not be respected. When I personally don't feel like you should outcast anyone that is in a less paid position than you are. Some people could be working in a lower paid position than you in that workplace, but they could belong to a rich family, or they could have another job and be running a business outside of that job that they're doing. But this person is very judgmental, and based off your position, or based off for some of you, excuse me, how you dressed or how you presented yourself, your personality, some of you could be very quiet, right? They just put you in a box and they spiritually bullied you. They wouldn't see it as that, but they did, and they are trying to do that. This is confirmation for some of you. You see, this person felt threatened by you. Why is he so quiet? Why is she so quiet? Why do they love themselves? Why are they so happy is what they always felt, because this person hates their job, but they are so consumed with the material that they outdo themselves to the point where it affects their physical appearance. And you could be doing the same job as them and you're smiling, you're glowing, you look good, you smell good, and this person can't stand it. You see, this person has false connections with people. What they have to understand is the connections that they have are purely just because they work with these individuals. These individuals would not even attempt to connect with these people or this person outside of work. And if they did, it's just because of a work party or some sort of gathering, or someone's leaving or something like this. These are not real connections. And this person is very angry that you are not desperate to be in these groups, in these false connections. And so they targeted you. They tried to make other people feel as if something was wrong with you. For some of you, they tried to isolate you. For others of you, unfortunately, they did isolate you, because they felt that you were their competition. You are a direct threat to this individual. For some of you, unfortunately, they gathered a lot of people to try and come up against you. They tried to push you out of a job. They tried to make your life so uncomfortable to the point where you hated the role, to the point where you just gave up. And for some of you, they're still trying to do that now. They feel like it's their duty to be in this energy of being a bully. They have this way about them whereby they feel like their team or their workplace should look a certain way, and you don't fit into that role that they, feel that everyone should look a certain way, or that, there's something about them thinking that they need to look better than others. Or for some of you, they are fearful that you're climbing up the career ladder and you're going to snatch a role from them. And they wouldn't admit it to themselves that they are jealous of you, and they feel very threatened by you. They would not admit that to themselves, because to admit that to themselves would mean that they are admitting that you are indeed better than them. So what they try and do is flip the script. They try and isolate you so it can look like to you. They're trying to actually deflect, right? So if it's happening now, this is what they're trying to do. They're trying to make you feel like no one wants you around. No one wants you to be a part of their stupid clique. No one wants to give you a job opportunity so that you can climb the career ladder. You're going to stay in the position that you're in because that's the position that you deserve to be in, because they deserve to be much higher than you. They are fixated on you and your growth and how you present yourself, because they are scared that you are going to know your power, that you're going to realize that you're that girl or that guy, that you're going to realize that you can achieve so much more. And this person has made your life a living hell. Now, what's actually going to happen is they're going to be closed out of friendship groups. For some of you, they're going to lose their job. For others of you, they have lost their job, right? Or they're going to be forced to leave due to circumstances outside of work. And they're going to try and expand elsewhere for some of you. And this elsewhere could be in another job, in another town, and in another city. And those same feelings that they made you feel, i.e. uncomfortable, dreading to go into the workplace, getting anxiety every time you see them, triggering your nervous system because you don't know what they're going to do, what they're going to say, it's going to happen to them. You see, they think that they are the be-all and end-all. They had fake supporters around them that don't care about them at all. And these fake supporters will not have their back when they are embarking on their new beginning. This person is going to feel like the least attractive person within their workplace. If they try to come for your looks because you were the minority, they're going to be the minority in the new workplace or the new town or city or place where they go to. They're going to feel left out. They're going to feel as if they cannot connect with anyone. They're going to feel as if they are being targeted. People are going to be openly toxic towards them. They're not going to have that same rapport that they had in that old workplace or old university or college. They're going to have a boss from hell. If they got on with the boss in the previous workplace and they were able to manipulate that boss, it's not going to be the same in this workplace. People are going to start complaining about them. They're going to feel as if their spirit guides have abandoned them, and they got that right because their spirit guides warned them when they were coming for you. Not this one. Leave this one alone. Furthermore, why don't you go and heal? Why don't you get to the root cause as to why you're trying to target this person? This person hasn't done anything to you. What's the matter with you? No, they didn't want to listen to their spirit guides. They kept coming and coming and coming and coming for you to prove a point. And the point's been proven. Because they kept coming for you, now they are mentally entrapped and they are struggling to get out of this entrapment. If they found a new job, they are dreading going into that new job. They are in spiritual jail and they're trying to fight their way through it. All the thoughts and feelings that they made you feel are now creeping up on them, and they haven't got no backing to support them. And for some of you, you had no backing either. They're going to feel trapped in a job, wanting to leave, but knowing that they can't because they need to pay the bills. Seeking out love suitors that don't want them. Being heavily rejected in love. They're going to feel so isolated and alone. And you may cross their mind. They're going to be going through a spiritual awakening that's going to be extremely uncomfortable. They're going to wish that they were in their old workplace or old college or university. And they're going to see that their aim to get to some sort of position of power is going to be extremely far. Because for some of you, the boss is not going to like them. They're going to be iced out of groups. Just the way they try to ice you out. They're going to be overlooked. They're not going to be considered for certain opportunities. They're going to be overpowered by a bully. And some sort of leader in a workplace that's going to make them feel insignificant. They're going to be pushed out. They're going to flee. They're going to find out that those old friends have chosen others. They're going to feel isolated and alone because the universe is going to be repaying them everything that they done to you and to others as well.